This is side 2 of tape 4, and we're continuing our work with vocabulary list 3. We've just looked at the verb number 29, pistuo, and now let's look at the next two words, number 30 and 31. Look at number 31 first. It's the adjective polus that means much or many. Sometimes it could even mean great. In English, we have words that are P-O-L-Y, poly, like polytechnic or polyphony or polyphonic, and it has to do with many. Notice that the spelling of the feminine form, pole, has two lambdas in it. The neuter form, polu, does not have a nu on the end, so be careful of that. The masculine is polus, the feminine pole, the neuter polu. Now number 30 is the comparative form of this adjective. Remember, there are three forms for an adjective: the positive form, the comparative form, which compares two things, and the superlative form. Now, the comparative form of polus is the word pleon. Notice that the masculine and the feminine are spelled the same way. They're both the words pleon. And then the neuter has a short O on the end, pleon. So you need to give all three forms, pleon, 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 Sam. And being the comparative form, this word means more. Sometimes it could be used in a superlative sense, as in most or greatest. Number 32 is a noun, pur. So you need to give the genitive, and being a third declension word, the genitive ends in an os, omicron sigma, so the genitive is puros. It's neuter, and it means fire. Number 33 is a preposition, sun. And we know that prepositions are followed by a particular case or cases. Sun is followed only by one case, the dative. And it has the idea of association with, in company with, together with, or it can even have the idea of participation, to be with Christ. Number 34 would be a compound verb where we take the preposition as a prefix and add it to a verb, sunago. And sunago means I gather together, I assemble. Number 35, another verb, sozo. So all you need to do is give the definition. I save, I rescue, I deliver, I cure, I heal. Number 36, tereo, another verb, with the definition I keep, I observe, I maintain, I watch. Number 37, another verb, tithemi, tithemi. Very important little word, and it means I put or place or lay down or appoint. 38 and 39 are pronounced the same. Their lexical spelling will be the same, except that number 39 will always have an acute accent over the iota. Now, their definitions are different. Number 38 is the indefinite pronoun, tis, and the feminine is the same form, tis, and the neuter is ti. The masculine and feminine are identical. Now, number 38, being the indefinite pronoun, means someone or anyone or something, anything, some, a certain one. Number 39 is the interrogative pronoun, the interrogative relative pronoun. And in your definition, you must always put a question mark after the word who, question mark, which, question mark. What? Question mark. And you could even add the definition of why. Sometimes the neuter will have that definition of why. Number 40, hupo is a preposition, and this preposition can be followed by either the genitive or the accusative. Hupo plus the genitive means by or by means of. That would show instrumentality. And when you learn more about your noun functions, you will see that the genitive case can be used to show instrumentality. Hupo plus the accusative has more of a spatial idea that something is under, beneath, below. And that's the way we use it in English. You see the rough breathing in front of the word. That would be the H, and then the upsilon would be Y, P-O, hypo. Number 41 being a verb, we simply give the definition, fero, with the definition of I bring or I carry, I endure, I bear. And number 42 is a conjunction, an adverbial conjunction that usually shows result. And it means that, or so that, or with the result that. Sometimes, rarely, it can show purpose, in which case it could be translated in order that. But usually it shows result. After you have completed all of the lexical entries in Vocabulary List 3, pick up the tape at this point, and let's do some drilling. I'll give you the first word, and then you repeat any other information which is necessary in completing the lexical entry. Agapao. Repeat the word, and then give me the rest of the lexical entry. Since this is a verb, all you would need to do is to say, agapao, I love. Balo. Balo, I throw, put, place. Ekenos. Now, since this is a pronoun, you need to give all three genders and then the definition. So let me give you time to do that. Ekenos. Ekenos. Ekene. Ekeno. Remember, there's no nu on the end of that neuter. Be careful. And it means that, or that one, that person, that thing. Fellow. Fellow, I will, I want, I wish, I desire. Hina. Hina, that, so that, in order that, with the result that. Pas. Pas, pasa, pan. All or every, each or whole. Pistuo. Pistuo, I believe, I have faith in, I trust. Pur. Pur. Puros. Neuter. Fire. Ferro. Ferro, I bear, I carry, I endure. Hoste. Hoste, with the result that, so that. laleo. Laleo, I speak. Now notice I'm not giving all of the definitions that you have written down. Actually, in these drills, the definitions that I will be giving you are the ones that I consider to be the most frequent in the New Testament. So don't let that concern you. Meno. Meno, I abide, I remain, I stay, I continue. Allah. Allah, but, rather, on the other hand. Didomi. Didomi, I give. Tithemi. Tithemi, I put, place, I appoint, I lay down. Polus. Polus, pole, polu. Don't forget there's no nu on the end of the neuter. Polus, pole, polu means much, many, or great. Krino. Krino, I judge. Ginomai. Ginomai. I come into being. I become. I happen to be. I am created. Entole. Entole. Entoles. Feminine. Commandment. Sun. Sun, with the dative, meaning with, in company with, together with. Sozo. Sozo, I save, I rescue, I deliver, I heal. Tereo. Tereo, I observe, I maintain, I keep. Hutos, spelled Omicron, Upsilon, Tau, Omicron, Sigma. Hutos. This is the number 26, the near demonstrative, so I want you to respond this way. Hutos, haute, tuto, meaning this one, this person. Kathos, kathos, as, just as. Ago, ago, I lead, I bring. Ean, ean, if. Ede, ede, now, already. Kago, kago, and I also. Cosmos, cosmos, cosmo, masculine, world, universe. Karpos. Karpos. Karpu. Masculine. Fruit. Hupo. Hupo with the genitive means by or by means of. Hupo with the accusative means under, below, beneath. Hoste. Hoste, showing result, so it means with the result that, or just that, or so that. This ends side 2 of tape 4, vocabulary list 3.